Morning everybody, today we are heading to Mount Rushmore. It is only half an hour away, so we're going to see something before we have to do a 4-hour drive.
We're later than living this morning, aren't we?
We are, it's 9,
Max had a good sleep.
8:38. We all woke up at sort of 4ish, but we managed to stay in bed till about 6. Had breakfast, 8:38, still a decent early start though, so. Mount Rushmore, see you there.
Bye bye.
We are currently in Custer. We stayed in Custer last night. Mount Rushmore, see you there.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
And we detour from our original route to take a quick stop by the Crazy Horse Monument. We did not go in as Mount Rushmore was top of the list today, so we just enjoyed it from afar.
There we are, Mount Rushmore. Flying visit, we've only been here an hour or so I think, but yeah, it's good. Good to see. Seen it on telly loads of times, seen it on YouTube videos loads of times. And we've learned that it's Washington, Jefferson, Roosevelt. So Washington, Jefferson, Roosevelt and Lincoln in that order, left to right. And apparently they tried to do Jefferson first, but the rock wasn't good. And you can see the bit they've had to blow away next to Washington next to his right ear, that was where Jefferson was supposed to be, but the rock wasn't good enough and there wasn't enough room, so they moved into the other side of Washington. We just learned. So there you go. Anyway, we're off. See you soon. Bye. Hello everybody.
Hello. Hello.
Alright, so we left Mount Rushmore, we went to Keystone, walked around, had lunch, went on the...
We had a very nice lunch with pizza.
Massive pizza, yeah. It was $20, so it was a big pizza. We ate it all, which was amazing. What was the name of that thing? I forgot what it was called again.
It's like Alpine...
Tramway? No.
Alpine Sledge, Alpine Luge.
Yeah, it's like a luge thing where you sit on a little...
I'll tell you what it's called.
You sit on a little cart.
Alpine tram.
Tramway Adventures. It's basically this. Like sitting on a little luge thing with a handle that spins out. I didn't go on it because of my damn knee. Suzanne and Max went on it. Max came flying down and...
But he left before me.
What I'll try and do is I'll try and put the two videos... What's that noise?
Max left before me. No, I left before Max.
And at some point, Max took you.
Overtook me.
But I'll put two videos of them side by side as they come around the corner at the same time. But obviously Max was way ahead. You'll see how Suzanne's one isn't in slow motion, I promise you. So now we've left Keystone. We've been to the Iron Mountain Road Visitor Centre, and we are now heading down the Iron Mountain Road. I'll try and get some snippets of that as we go. We're about to set off, I think. And lots of twists, lots of turns. We're going through some narrow tunnels. And
I'm scared.
And Suzanne's scared because she's still got to drive because my knee's getting better.
Getting better.
But it's still not. It still hurts a bit.
Oh, look at my hair. Oh my god, I look a bit of a mess.
Right. We'll see you there. Bye. This is the third tunnel we've been through. They're not getting any bigger, but I don't think they're getting much smaller either, are
No,
they?
and I'm not too scared about driving through them. I'm all right.
Right, we've taken 1,000 photographs and videos of Mount Rushmore, and we're going to get one more. I think this will be the last one. It's the profile view of George Washington. We are on the 244 heading over from the Iron Mountain Road to Needles Eye Tunnel. This is our penultimate stop off today, and it is the profile view of Georgie Washington. So let's jump out and get a quick video and photo of that. Okay, I can't remember if I said a moment ago that the profile view of Mount Rushmore was going to be our last stop. It isn't, because we are going down the Needles Highway. We have 19 minutes, 7 miles to Needles Eye Tunnel. Park entrance license required. Is that what we've got?
That's what we've got.
That's okay, so we've already bought that. So it's about 6 miles to Sylvan Lake, which we may not stop at because we've done a lake today already. We'll see what it's like. Needles Eye Tunnel, Needles Eye Tunnel, which is one of the smallest tunnels I think that we're going to do. And then we're going to go to the hotel. And I think it's about an hour's drive to the hotel. We're staying in Lead tonight, which is north of Custer.
No, I think it's called Leeds.
Yeah,
Is it Leeds?
The boy at the
who lived in
the sledge.
What's it called?
Yeah, so he used to live in Cambridge, whose mum was from Birmingham, but he's lived in America all his life.
What am I thinking it's called?
He said Lead. He corrected me. I said, oh, we're going to Lead, and he said, oh, Lead.
Oh, okay, well there you go, Lead, not Lead. But that's where we're staying tonight. And I think it's about an hour from here, but it might be like an hour and 15 or something. And then we'll be checking into our hotel and relaxing for the rest of the day after another busy day of Suzanne driving. Hopefully I'm going to try and do some driving tomorrow, but we'll see. Anyway.
Richard doesn't like driving.
Well,
you get bored. Yesterday you'd have been so bored. I
would have been bored on those long roads. These roads.
And you'd have wanted me to do the driving today because you take better pictures than I do.
Yeah, there is that.
Looks like I'm driving the whole holiday.
So first 3 days,
It's a funny straight road.
great pictures. Last 17 days, no pictures. No, we'll figure it out. We haven't got many things to see tomorrow, so no roads like this anyway. But anyway, we are on the Needles Highway.
One
We
of
have
your 5 litres
6.2 miles, 17 minutes with a 15:36 arrival.
It's traffic finger.
But yeah, you do.
Okay, so this is the smallest tunnel that is about a mile away. It's Needles Eye Tunnel. It's 8 foot wide, and we think our car is about 6 foot wide. So we've still got a foot either side, and with Suzanne's driving, she will probably go through there about 80 miles an hour.
The other tunnel was alright actually.
So that was 8 foot 9 inches wide,
Yeah,
so
it was fine.
it'll be fine. And then I think we've just got to find out the best way to get back to Lead. Lead Lead. Lead Lead. Lead Lead. Lead Lead Lead. bit tight. Yay, we did it. We're now going to go back through, hopefully to save time on our journey to the hotel. We're going through it the other way now to save time to the hotel. I was just going to pull down. Right, that was the Needle-Eyes Tunnel, not once, but twice. We're now heading to the hotel. We hope to be there in less than 90 minutes. Yeah, these little jeeps look cool, don't they? Look at these little buggies.
We're going to London.
Okay, see you later.
And that was it for the night. We headed to the stamp mill in Leeds, and on the way back to the hotel we saw this deer having an evening stroll around the town centre. Stay tuned because tomorrow is coming up in a few seconds.
Hello, good morning everybody. This is Saturday the 20th of July. We are just leaving Leeds. We've been...
Lead? Yeah. Sorry.
Leeds, yeah. We think it's Leeds, not Lead.
Yeah.
It's Leeds.
No, we think it's Leeds.
They said it's Leeds.
No, hang on a second. What did we say it was initially?
We said lead, and then somebody corrected me to lead. So it's lead.
Yeah, so we think it's Leeds. And we are heading first to Walmart to buy some supplies and to get something for Max.
Blue bands!
And then we are heading to Devil's Tower. And then we are heading west to Sheridan, which is where our hotel is tonight. And we're not sure if we're going to see anything on the way. We may just see if we see a sign for something and stop, or just see what's about. We've got no plans today, so we're not going to rush around much apart from the first hour or two, and then it'll be nice and chilled. Weather's still pretty good. What's the temperature? 73 degrees. Cloudy.
Up to 8.
Some nice views here. Look out the window.
80 degrees, I think it's supposed to get.
Hopefully she'll get hotter. It's not even 10 o'clock yet, so yeah, look at this. Which is pretty much what we've been seeing for most of the last 48 hours.
Your knee's getting better,
My
isn't
knee's
it?
not too bad. I think I did a lot of walking last night. Which
Yeah, we had a long walk to the restaurant.
We did. It was
went
about-
for a nice restaurant.
It should have been
didn't
about
we?
15 minutes, but I think it was closer to 25 because of me.
Up and downhill.
Downhill all the way there, which isn't easy. Uphill all the way back, which isn't easy either. But anyway, not going to moan. We're here. We're having fun. We're on Route 85, and it's about to change into 14A, and we're turning left onto 85 North. In case anyone's bothered. Yeah, 14A we're on now, according to that sign there. Anyway, we'll see you probably at Devil's Tower.
Unless anyone wants to see us at Walmart.
Unless anyone wants to see Walmart, which is not that exciting.
We're off to
Unless
get...
you come in, then it's very exciting.
What, we have to get loom bands
Loom bands and that's it.
Blue bands!
Loom bands and maybe some car snacks and
What
drink.
about sweet? Those sweets that you want, Max?
Some
Oh yeah,
sweets.
Phase Rock.
Phase Rock.
Phase Rock candy. Anyway,
Please go check out Phase Rock's channel. Please drop a like and subscribe there.
they don't.
Yes,
Right,
please.
here we go.
We much appreciate it.
This is what I love about America. It's such changing sceneries, isn't it? So they have deserts and mountains and forests and lakes and
Mining towns.
towns.
This is obviously a big mining town.
Yeah, this might be where that couple we met going today. We have made it to our first stop of the day. It is Devil's Tower. We've been sitting in traffic for about half an hour, and it appears to be one in, one out of the car park, but we only found that out after we went through the gate where we have to pay $25, but we have to pay on the way out. So I think we're 3 cars back from getting in. It seems to be one in, one out, and he lets 3, as some come out, he lets more through. Oh, we're moving again. We're moving. And no one came out though when they said that, and they let us through.
I think somebody did.
So there we go. They're telling us to go slow. He's letting us through. That's all good. Thank you, young man.
Then it's a case of finding parking as well.
Yeah, but they must know their spaces, so.
We walk up to it, do we?
And then, yeah, well, I don't know where it is.
Well, people walking up here.
Okay. So this must be for RVs on the side. I mean, there's spaces here though. There's 2 spaces there.
I suppose it depends on.
So there's the car park. There's loads of spaces in the car park. So we just find a car park space and then we'll walk to get a view of it. And I think that's all we do.
And after we parked, we had lunch before putting my knee to the test in what will be a near 100-degree walk up to Devil's Tower.
Okay, so we made it. We've even had lunch in the 45 minutes that we've been up here. So we found a parking space and we are doing a mini hike, but not very far, but it's very hot. But there it is.
Amazing, isn't it?
Devil's Tower. It's pretty cool. I'm glad we came. Yeah, $25 to get here, nearly fell over, but worth it. Gonna go a little bit further up here and then see how we go.
And after Devil's Tower, I took over the driving, so there wasn't much videoing done for the rest of the day. So here are some of my favourite photos from this part of our USA 2024 road trip. Don't forget to click that like button and stay tuned for next week's video when we continue this amazing road trip.